Hey, what's up YouTube? So I had an Anycubic Cobra Plus printer that was honestly nothing but problems, so I got rid of that, upgraded to a bamboo printer, and from there things kind of escalated quickly with the buying of Filament. And you can see that I don't really have a good storage solution for it or really anywhere else to put it. Also right there, that's my homemade dryer box. If anybody wants to see a video on that, let me know. Maybe I'll do a separate video on that. But I do have hopefully a new solution for my printer and filament storage needs. So the solution I'm hoping is going to be this muscle rack storage shelf. And I'll spare you a montage of putting it together and setting it all up. Just when I'm done, I'll show you a video of the final product, and hopefully it's going to be a good solution for my printer, AMS, and also storing all my filament. Alright, here's the result. Got the shelf all put together. Got my filament on the shelf there, and got room for plenty more. And there still might be some better ways to organize that in the future, but at least for now it's out of the entryway and in one spot. And I got the printer hooked up, going right now. AMS on top. Added a light to the printer off to the front there. And also went ahead and did the Y splitter for the AMS so I can print off the spool holder. You know, I got some TPU to try to print. And so that's the new setup. If you guys have any questions or comments, put them in the comments. And till next time, we'll talk to everybody later.